Okay, hi, welcome to another food editing video. I'd like to start real fast by apologizing for my sound in the last video I posted. I'm redoing this because I think it's a good video, I think it's a good recipe, and I don't want my sound to ruin the experience any. When I saw it, I was extremely disappointed by the sound. It was horrible. It was only going through one side. There's something that my backup camera, that thing's seen quite a few times. I might switch back if I use that one. Switch back to the in-cam mic because it's having problems with its cord outs. I don't think it's this cord because I tried it on a few other things. So yeah, I don't want to be posting negative reviews about something when it's not true. I always like to do my research. I like to be thorough in my work. So anyway, with that being said, let's move on to the thing I'm probably looking at the most right now, and that's my lava lamp. And I've had that for a long time, over about 20 years. And the paraffin's starting to get loose now, and it's starting to act like a real normal working lava lamp. Just before it was just glooping around, but I've had it on for like almost over a day now. So it's getting cool. I like it. I like it on my desk, and I'm gonna keep it there until I decide something else is gonna take its place. So anyway, moving right along. I don't know if you can see it because the mic might be in the way right now. My scorch torch, and this I'm gonna use for food browning. Use it for arts and crafts. I use it to heat up some table glue and melted a bit of my table, which I had to touch up. It's okay. Nobody got hurt. And yeah, it's because I still remember my OSHA training from years back. And working with any type of torch is definitely a dangerous thing. So don't go running around buying torches, using it to light things near you. It's not a very good idea. I really, honestly, I don't have any personal experience because I didn't try anything like that. I used it to heat up a little bit of my phone along with my hair dryer. I was very careful with it because I'm still learning the distances, because that thing will incinerate pretty fast. It's a really quick incinerator. And I'll just be using it around here when I need a heat source, maybe if I go outdoors. I don't know if I want to start a campfire. I think I'll start a campfire for you. Anyway, let's move on to this. Enough about that. This is a 26800 milliamp backup emergency battery. There's the solar panels right here. I've just got this today. And this is a wireless charger. You can charge two things simultaneously. You can also charge this by power. And I'm going to do a full review on this. Let me turn the light on later on, because they've offered me a significant amount of money to do that. That's wireless. There's my light, my SOS light, my international SOS light right there. So if I get trapped under like a boulder or anything, or something falls on me, I don't know. I can hold this up and hope for the best. And it's also got a strobe light, so if you'd like to throw a party in the woods, I guess. No, this is really for if you're really low on battery. This conserves battery life rather than a standard straight LED. Okay? Let me turn that off. Oh, one last thing I have for you all is I got to meet up with a local artist and purchase some of her art. It's very simple, but I think it's very nice. Let me turn off the lights a little bit so I can show this off. Check it out. I got a few bottles like this. Here's one. Let me grab another. Well, maybe I'll just grab one more. Sorry about the mic hit. I have a few of these, but I got the rights to them to use them. Which is pretty cool. I know it's simplistic, but I like them. That's what I want to work on. I have the rights to use them in my gallery, and I do own them because I did purchase them. So, thanks to the artist for allowing me to use your work. If you do happen to see this, I'm excited, and we'll see what happens. So we're gonna move to the computer next. Okay, so we're now at the computer, and I have my lovely roast beef sandwich all pulled up. So what's gonna happen with this is that I'm gonna go ahead, and I already deleted some of these, but I'm gonna delete all of these now. All my old highlights. We're just gonna start over. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna left click on the see how when I mouse over these, I can't see this right now for some reason, but when my pointer, when I mouse over these, it changes to reset. Hit the left button to reset it. Yeah, it's not showing up for me right now. Might be because I'm using a red light. Might be confusing it. I don't know. Doesn't matter because I don't need it. Okay, so let's just go ahead, reset our values. Let's set one up so we know we're making sure we're highlighting the correct region. Grab our brush tool, and that looks fine to me. Let's put it density at 98, put it a little higher, and let's just highlight the areas in the sandwich that we want to. Right, and we don't want to brighten it this much, but I put it up so I just know where I'm going with it. So I'll take that back down, I'll reset that, because it was the exposure I was using. So I'm going to bring the exposure up to about 50.50, 56 is fine. Gonna up my contrast, gonna up my highlights. Shadows, stay right about that. White's up, black's down a little bit because that's just how I do it. Texture, I'm going to increase the texture just a touch to make it look more something you can touch more, and the clarity a little bit. I'm going to dehaze it a bit to make it clear, and I'm going to up my saturation just a little bit, maybe about 4 or 5. All that's not for me. Right here, let me kind of look back. It looks a little on the bright side. Maybe I'll take the highlights down a touch. And the white's down just a little bit. And that should be, that should be good enough for me to go ahead and go File, Edit in Photoshop. Yeah, the sound, I believe it's coming from the jack issue, the in jack. And that's something I'm going to worry about right now. It's disappointing to me that I may have to get a new camera, a new backup camera in the near future. I'm going to check out I still have a Sony. I'm going to check that thing out. I'm going to see what that does. I can't promise anything's going to be good on that, but it's not a bad camera. It's just, I don't know, I don't remember. I've never really done too many videos on that. Whoop, that is incorrect. On 79, let's do it to 170, see if we can get that all fit in. No. It's gonna be close. That's gonna be good enough for me for this video. I don't really do too many. I'll do like a dodge or a lighten or a color burn or something. What did I do? I don't remember what it was. I think it was a color dodge. This is one of these. Yeah, just to make it look a little stylish. I don't really go heavily in, I don't want that, but I don't really go heavily into these just because it eats up a lot of my time, and I can only do so much. If I had more help, I could definitely work on my lettering, but it's not a priority to me. My videos aren't even really a priority to me, but I don't want them to give people headaches like they were doing. So I'm gonna be I was being responsible in doing this over because I think it's the thing to do. because I want this video to be seen. Because I did spend time doing all this. It took me a lot of time to prepare all this. But anyway, Tristan's doing okay. He's on medication. He was pretty much conked out earlier on the couch. He's been conked out there all day. So I'm not really able to do too many cat photos that he's not just burying his head in the couch, because he is on medication for his assumed tooth infection. We're almost sure it is. And I gotta go for a follow-up coming week. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to show you a little something real quick. Off screen. Yeah, I got my Christmas tree decorated today. Isn't that fabulous? I think I just took a picture. I didn't want to do that, but okay. This camera is a little bit different than my other one, because I believe this one has an autofocus when you turn it, and the other one really doesn't. So yeah, that's cool. Maybe I'll take a few photos of that with the cat. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do something for the holidays. I'm going to do that either later today or tomorrow. Oh, I can't believe how late it is right now. It's because I've made this video so many times because my other camera is being stubborn yet again. I'm glad it's only my backup. So with that being said, have a happy holiday. Be wary of your online security, definitely. I've talked about that before. And yeah, be safe. Have a happy holiday. And if I should get in with you guys soon. Okay. Check out the recipe. Thanks. Bye.